Welcome back to a video, guys. Today I'll be taking a look at the Apeman C960 dual dashcam. So in the box itself, it's really organized. Each category, each accessory that comes with it is specifically labeled in each section of the box, like this rear camera. So some specs about the rear camera is that it outputs a 1080 pixel resolution, and you basically stick it onto the back of your windshield to install it. And it also rotates, which means no matter how angled your windshield is, it will always be able to get the best viewing angle. So the dashcam itself, it comes in this really nice matte finish pattern, these checkered patterns, and then there's this orange button on this side where it's specifically made to power on and power off the device, which I find really nice, because if you're searching for the power button, you don't really have to look too hard because it's literally an orange button. So it also comes with a suction cup mount, and it fits perfectly, so I kind of struggled with putting it on right here, but it's really not too hard to put on. So this box, it contains a cable that connects from the dash cam, the front cam, to the rear cam. It's just a really long USB-C to USB-C cable. So in this box, it contains a tool where it looks to me like it's to take off the suction mount if you ever need to, instead of using your nails. And then there's another packet where it contains a sticky pad. And it also comes with a tool to reset your device if you ever need to. There's also two cables. One cable is to plug into your car and into your dash cam, and the other cable is to transfer data from your dash cam to your computer. So I would recommend this dashcam. For the price, I got it when it was on sale, so it wasn't too expensive, but it was still more than what most dashcams cost, honestly. But it was honestly worth it for the price that I paid, and also the quality of the box and just the video that you'll see later on in this video.